This one TikTok niche made me over $11,000 in the past 21 days from the TikTok creativity program. And the best part is that I can post the same videos on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels and make money on those platforms too without putting any extra effort in. The main thing is that you know how to make the videos quickly and how to make a lot of them, because this is what's going to bring the money in. You can really grow your pages like crazy if you follow this step-by-step tutorial until the end. Let's get straight into it. So the niche I'm talking about is the football niche, or soccer. There are a couple of things you should know. First, the posting time is super important if you want to go viral. Let's say there's an important Champions League match that you're watching live, which involves a famous team or player. If you post something about it at that moment, like a goal or an action, you might get millions of views and tons of engagement under that video. Let's look at this 2-minute long video that is basically a live recording of a football game. It's not even that interesting, and was posted 2 days ago, and still got millions of views and likes. These 2 specific videos were from a game that was played by Manchester City, and you can see that they performed phenomenally. This doesn't require any crazy editing skills or being an expert with computers. And you can do this with 0 followers on social media, and I'll show you how you can do this from your phone or laptop with 0 investment. But first, let's talk about what the creativity program actually is and how TikTok actually pays you. Just like any monetization program, there are requirements. You need to have 10,000 followers and over 100,000 views in the last 30 days. This is probably the only thing that will take you some time to do, and it can take anywhere from 3 weeks to 3 months to get these numbers. But if you stick to what I'm showing you and keep at it, then you'll be able to hit the monetization requirements way sooner than you think. So once you have your monetized account, what's the next step? First, let's talk about the different types of football content that are out there. Then I'll show you how to use AI to speed up the process of actually creating the videos. So there's goal highlights or best moments, which is when you show only the best parts of a game or exciting moments. Then there are match reports, where you talk about the game results and outcome and discuss the events during the game. There's also tactical analysis, when you explain how a team played and what type of strategy they used. You have statistics too, which is when you discuss passes and numbers. There's also transfer news, when you talk about big transfers of players moving from one club to the next. Talk about their contracts and how they will help their team. Of course, there's injury reports, which is when you update viewers on the physical conditions of players and explain why they can't play the next game. There's championship summary too, when you give an overview of the team's progress in the competition, highlighting emerging stars who are making moves in the football world. And let's not forget about referee evaluation, which is when you can talk about referees' decisions, especially in controversial situations. To find sources for all of these types of video, you need to stay on top of the latest news and public reactions and turn them into original TikTok videos. You can cover a range of topics from pre-game updates like player injuries to real-time celebrations when a goal is scored, and even post-game highlights like match summaries. The most important thing is your timing. You need to make sure to post your content when it's most relevant, and also make sure that your facts are correct and you're being accurate. And here's a pro tip to get the freshest news straight from the source. Follow the official social media pages of the teams, players, and well-known sports commentators. That way, you're always in the loop and ready to share the latest news with your followers. Awesome. Now that we've covered the basics, I'm going to show you how stupidly simple it is to create these videos using AI in a step-by-step tutorial. First, go to Google Gemini over at gemini.google.com. This is basically Google's free version of ChatGPT that has access to all the latest information. So right here in this box, I'll type in latest Ronaldo news with Al Nassr. As you see, this gave us a lot of information, both on-field statistics and off-field news. If you click on any of these sentences, you can find the source of where Gemini got this information from. And remember, this information was fetched today, so everything is up to date. Now you need to go to a crazy platform called 11 Labs and create a free account using the link that I've put in the description box for you. 11 Labs is a high-quality AI voice generator that allows you to instantly turn any length of text into a voiceover in less than 2 minutes. So what I'll do is go back to Gemini and copy all of these bullet points about his on-field statistics. Then I'll paste it into this white box in the 11 Labs platform, pick a voice from this selection of hundreds of voices, and click Generate. Now remember, 11 Labs free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month to generate, And if you upgrade to a paid plan for a few bucks a month, you'll get 30,000 characters included. Okay, let's take a listen at what 11 Labs generated for us.
Top scorer, but trophyless season. Although Ronaldo is currently Al Nassr's top scorer in the Saudi Pro League with 12 goals, the team narrowly missed out on winning any trophies in the first half of the season.
Perfect. To download it, click on this button over here. Now, to generate the visuals, I'll use Leonardo AI, which has a free plan you can use. So now I'll go back to Gemini and ask it to provide me with prompts for designing images using an AI image generator to complement a video discussing the uncertain future of Ronaldo with Al Nassr. I will also give it a description of the paragraphs that I got above. You can see that it came out with a few useful prompts, and I'll first go to Leonardo, choose the 9:6 aspect ratio for TikTok, choose the Dream Shaper model, and paste the prompt. I'll download this image from here. I'll also repeat the process for other prompts to get 5 or 6 different images. Once that's done, I can move on to the next step. To produce an actual video for this step, I like to use CapCut, which is a free beginner-friendly video editing software. Just go to their website, create a free account, and log in. This is what the dashboard looks like. Click on Create a new video, pick 9:6 aspect ratio, and add all your images and voiceover. Try to remove all the silent parts from the voiceover, as everything on TikTok needs to be fast-paced. I would recommend that you use keyframes in your videos to make these images appear animated, even if they're not. This will boost viewer retention and help you get more clicks and views. To do this, click on your image on the screen. In the top right corner, find the Basic button. Down here, you'll find the Position section, and next to the X and Y coordinates, you'll see this button that says Add Keyframe. Click on it and move the pin on your timeline 1 second ahead. Then you want to move your image slightly to add the keyframe automatically. Then move the seek bar 1 second ahead once more and reverse the position of the image. This will make your image move left to right and add some motion to it. After doing these steps, go ahead and add some transitions and effects to your video. To do that, just click on the animation button on the right to add in and out transitions. For the effects, find them in the sidebar on the left. I personally like the zoom lens and edge glow effects, as they're pretty popular nowadays. Let's watch the video now.
Top scorer, but trophyless season. Although Ronaldo is currently Al Nassr's top scorer in the Saudi Pro League with 12 goals, the team narrowly missed out on winning any trophies in the first half of the season.
So that's how easy it is to create football videos on TikTok without showing your face. Now you just need to make as many videos as you can and keep uploading them to grow your page and get monetized. And remember, you can upload the same video on YouTube and Instagram too, and look for brand deals and sponsorships that you could get to monetize your pages across all of these platforms. I really hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe for more videos like this.